A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B, Standard 2nd. Subject English Grammar. Topic Punctuation marks. Capital letter. Now let's read, students. Oh, what is this? Come on, try to read A G R, small e, capital E, N. What is this? It is a green? Is it green? Yeah, is it green? Okay, it is green, yes. Now, what is this? Come on, try to read this word. Capital F, small r, then capital O, then small g. Oh God, what is this? Yeah, it is frog. Okay. Oh my God, it's very difficult to read. Now here also. Oh God, what is this? Yeah, this is in, and this one is small t, capital H, and E. Oh, is it the? Yes, it is the. Oh God, this paragraph is also very difficult to read. Now, what to do? What is the mistake in this? Oh God, how confusing is it, na? It is very confusing how to read because punctuation marks, capital letters is not proper. So, what to do? Let's see further. So, what are the rules? Now, remember, always remember, students, we use capital letter at the beginning of a sentence. Okay? We use capital letter at the beginning of a sentence. Second one, for proper nouns like the names of a person, place, days of the week, months of the year, festivals. And when I is written alone to mean oneself. Now let us see some example, students. See here, Sania, here S capital. Aman, A capital. Mumbai, Chennai, India. Tuesday, Sunday, name of the week, name of the city, name of the state, name of the person. Then month, June, March, December. Here first letter will be capital. Christmas, name of the festival, Christmas, Holi. Now let us see some more examples, students. Now see the first sentence over here. My mother is beautiful. So here the first letter of the sentence should be in capital letter. Okay? So the correct answer is M capital. My mother is beautiful. Then second one, see, I love mangoes. So here I in capital letter. I love mangoes. Now let us see some more example, students. So here we remember always first letter of the sentence should be capital. then I capital, and name of the state or name of the city should be capital. So here N we convert small into capital letter, N I D. Okay, see, so this is correct sentence. Next week I will go to Delhi. Now here also R should be in capital letter because this is name of the person, and second thing, in sentence the first word will be in capital. So Rohan is my best friend. R in capital letter. Now let's clear the confusion we had while we were reading. So it is very confusing now how to read. Now let us write with the proper punctuation. Okay, so this is in proper punctuation. See the paragraph. So let us read. Okay, a green frog and a yellow fish were playing in the water. The frog says to the fish, I want to be yellow and pretty like you. Okay, now it is easy to read, correct? Now you have to revise this chapter once again. Okay, punctuation marks. Thank you and have a nice day, students.